Alright, this is the morning after our first day of transformation here at Demolition. If you followed the other ones, you'll have seen that there's a whole manger set up here. We've also removed these side fences. Today's project really won't be a whole lot visible. It's going to be more clean up, begin to excavate, get the elevation right. They're up for the morning here. It's been really hot and muggy. However, the show must go on, as they say. This area right here is where we're going to be putting the AeroQuip, the animal handling system we're going to do. It's a QCatch 8600. But now we have to work on the elevation so we get it nice and level. And then from that point, once we set it in place, we will begin work on the rest of the pen areas. And we'll be able to sort and divide and work on the animals much easier. So, thank you for watching. I hope you stay tuned at the progress. Thank you.